Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change to Google Assistant in Gemini AI. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Gemini AI app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to change to Google Assistant, you need to go to the settings. In this home screen, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now choose settings. Now in the settings menu, you can see digital assistants from Google option. Tap on it. In this page, you can select between Gemini or Google Assistant. Right now, Gemini is selected as my digital assistant. So if you want to change to Google Assistant, you can just simply select Google Assistant option. Tap on switch. And that's it. That's how you can change to Google Assistant from Gemini AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.